In this video, I will show you how to add auto captions to your videos using CapCut. The very first step is to make sure that your CapCut app is updated, so go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if CapCut is updated. The next step is to open CapCut and import your video. I'm going to upload this video. Now to add captions on your videos. So click on the text button here, and then you will see a little auto captions button. So click it. And now a menu will pop up with a couple of different options for your captions. You can select the language of the captions, and you can see that you have different languages right here. Then play around with these options here, and then click on Start. And wait a couple of seconds until the app adds the auto captions on your video. And when the app adds the auto captions, you can select the text and play with the color font style and so on, and the changes will be applied to all the text layers. And that's how you can add the auto captions in the CapCut editing app. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.